hello. Today we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. So parallel are two lines that do not intersect. So what do you think has to be true about two lines that don't intersect in their slope? Well, hopefully you see that the slopes are the same. So if one line has slope 7, its parallel line has to have slope 7. Now perpendicular lines are two lines that when they intersect, it forms a right angle. So notice this line's going up, this line is going down. So what do you think's true about their slopes? Well, the slopes are negative reciprocals. So reciprocal means flip it. So if one line has a slope of 2, now an upside down T is the symbol for perpendicular. 2 arrows are for parallel. So perpendicular slope of this line's slope would be a negative 1/2. So if a line had slope 3, its parallel line slope would be what? That's right, 3. And what would the perpendicular slope be? A negative 1/3. You flip and you take the opposite. So I have a problem. Find the equation of a line parallel to y equals 3x minus 4 through the point 6, 1, and I want the answer in standard form. Well, if the line is y equals 3x minus 4, the line slope is 3. Parallel line would have slope 3. So I'm going to do point slope. Y minus 1 equals 3x minus 6. So it'd be y minus 1 equals 3x minus 18. So standard, I'm going to get the y on one side with the x and the numbers on the other. So it'd be 17 equals 3x minus y. So find the equation parallel to 3x minus y equals 6 through 3, 4 in slope intercept. So I need to solve this for y, so I subtract 3x. So negative y equals negative 3x plus 6. Then divide by negative 1. So y equals 3x minus 6. So the slope of the line is 3. So my parallel slope is 3. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to use this. Y minus 4 point slope equals 3x minus 3. So y minus 4 equals 3x minus 9. Now I want the answer in slope intercept, so I'm going to add 4, get y by itself. So y equals 3x minus 5. Woohoo! Now, find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 1/3 x plus 1 through this point in standard form. Well, if the slope of this line, if we solve for y, the slope is 1/3. So the perpendicular slope would be a negative 3. It's because it's negative reciprocal. You flip it. So I'm going to use this point. Y minus 4 equals the perpendicular slope, negative 3x minus 5. So y minus 4 equals negative 3x plus 15. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. So then I'm going to, standard form, I'm going to add 3x and add 4. So I get 3x plus y equals 19. And the last problem I got for you, find the equation perpendicular to this through that point 3,6. Well, the slope of this would be negative 1/2. So the perpendicular slope would be 2. Negative reciprocal. Take the opposite and flip it. So you'd have y minus 6 equals 2x minus 3. So y minus 6 equals 2x minus 6. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides because I want the y by itself. That's slope intercept. So y equals 2x. Woohoo! Very important 2 weeks. Graphing and finding equations.